Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can share your location on Google Map. So to do that, all you have to do is open Google Map, click on your profile at the top right. Once you click on your profile at the top right, all you have to do is click on location sharing. Once you have clicked on location sharing, you will see the option to share your location, and you click on share your location. And once you've done that, all you have to do is select the share your real-time location option. You will see for 1 hour. If you select for 1 hour, you have the more options where you can share on different platforms. You can share that on iMessage. You can share that on email, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Messenger, and all the above. But if you click on until you turn this off, you will only be able to share that on the Google platform, so via email address and all the above. So that's about how you can share your location on Google Map. Thank you.